Hello there. I wanted to show you what I've been working on. Here is some of our packs of hair. These are the Afro kinky human hair that I sell online. This is the 8-inch packs. We sell 8-inch, 6-inch, and 10-inch. We do sell them in bulk, so they come in a package with 4 bundles. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the price you see there is for 4 bundles. And this is what I'm using to make my hair. So these are 8-inch small to medium locks. Color 1B virgin. And these are going to be shipped out for our client. And these are also some locks that are going to be shipped out shortly. These are small locks. They're 4 inches long. It's a bundle of 10. So I just wanted to show you some of the options you have for ordering locks. You can either order individual, which is our sample. So this particular customer ordered 4 sample locks, or you can order the bundles. So when you go to my lock extensions page for the locks, you will see that there's like stock, sample, and then the regular bundles. And the bundles will actually say 4-inch all the way to 20-inch on that page. The sample locks is just sample locks, and you can pick the length you want and the size from that page, okay? So again, you can order individual locks like this. She ordered 4, or you can order a bundle of 10. So you can find all these items at mukisalocs.com. That's mukisalocs.com. You can also email us for inquiries at mukisalocs@gmail.com. And you can send a DM if you have a question about something, and you can always book a consultation if you need more assistance. So I look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day. Bye.